Diagnostic trouble codes P0452, P0453, and P0454 are all related to the evap system pressure sensor circuit. P0452 refers to a low input signal from the evap pressure sensor, typically caused by low voltage, damaged wiring, or a faulty sensor. P0453 indicates a high input signal, meaning the sensor is sending an abnormally high voltage reading, often due to an open circuit or sensor malfunction. P0454 points to an intermittent signal problem, where the sensor output fluctuates unpredictably because of loose connections, unstable wiring, or internal sensor faults. Here are two of the most practical solutions to fix these error codes. Method A, the gas cap. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with a correct model gas cap. Method B, the fuel tank pressure sensor. The fuel tank pressure sensor is part of the fuel pump assembly and is usually mounted on top of the tank. First, carefully remove the fuel tank pressure sensor from the fuel tank. Check the seal and the electrical connection for any damages. If damages are found, replace the fuel tank pressure sensor. Here are two of the most practical solutions to fix these error codes. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.